No song or bird call cheers my bitter, troubled heart. And I don't know why I would sing or waste my words, for I would well waste them if I said that it was worth anything to me toward my lady prayers or mercy. For it's not fitting at all that forgiveness should be sought by me. So much have I failed her. So why should my song be heard, since it's not fitting that she forgive me? Oh God, instead that I might beg her to take vengeance on me. For never did a day come to me that deceit or falsehood or the prayers of another woman pleased me so much that it took me from her, for whom it's fitting that I be shamed, for I've badly welcomed her gifts. And because a trickster woman in whom evil beauty was born made me fail, it's fitting that forever she should hang me. She who from nothing had put me on the path of all good things. But if every man were killed who has done wrong, and there were no guide or leader there of mercy, everything would be destroyed. But I'm not so far parted from joy, nor so seized by anger, that I wouldn't return there still if she showed her sense and her courtesy. How I would be overcome if her humble, courtly body, frank, well taught, filled with joy and worth, were made open to forgiveness for me. But I'd be healed if she would just humble herself so much as only to hear me. Then afterward she'd see how my harm chastises me. If it pleased her that way, and because I ever did anything that weighed on her, I'm so badly off, for with her I've lost many fulfilled goods, and here I am betrayed. And so will I be so bold that humble hands joined confessed, I'll go beg her at her feet to give me a gift, that she forgive me or kill me. It would well please me if she killed me, but I don't believe she'd do so much that would please me. Instead, I know hers will be the choice, that I die or live in affliction. To the Lord whose point she hears it, I send word that it not weigh on him. If through me an unknown name is heard, that's worth 100 strong places.